Hey guys, welcome in. Here we have this brand new 2024 Hummer EV pickup truck. This is the Omega edition. It does have the tow hooks for recoveries and off-road use. Coming to the side on this one, and then you take a look, it is the beautiful Neptune blue in a matte finish. You have 18-inch gloss black wheels with the mud terrain tire. And if we jump to the inside of the vehicle, you got this black and white two-tone interior with the sky roofs. Here on the side we do have off-road rocker panels with the assist steps, and if we move to the back we would have MultiPro tailgate. Gives you easy access in and out of the bed.